In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to hyperlink on Mailchimp. If you're using Mailchimp for your email campaigns, it's crucial to know how to effectively use hyperlinks. These can guide your readers to your website, a product page, or anywhere else you'd like them to visit. To begin, once you're logged in, you'll find yourself on the dashboard. This is your starting point for all the magic we're about to perform. From here, we're going to dive into the campaigns section. This is the heart of your email marketing efforts, where all your campaigns live. You'll want to click on the Campaigns option located towards the top of the screen. Doing this will take you to a page where you can see all your campaigns listed. Among these, find the one you're looking to embed a hyperlink in and select it. This step takes us to the Campaigns Overview page, where you can see various options to customize and edit your campaign. Now that we've got the overview in front of us, the next move is to start designing. Look for the Edit Design option. This is your gateway to customizing the content of your email. Clicking on it takes you into the Design Editor of Mailchimp, which is where creativity and functionality meet. Once inside, focus on the Content option. This section allows you to add, remove, and edit text, images, and other elements of your email. Expanding the Content section reveals various content blocks you can use in your campaign. Here's where it gets a bit more exciting. You'll see a variety of content types you can drag and drop into your email layout. For today, we're focusing on the paragraph content block. Simply drag it into your desired position within the email layout. Once it's placed, it's time to hyperlink. Click into the paragraph block and highlight the text you want to turn into a hyperlink. Look towards the editor's header for the link icon, which resembles a little chain link. Clicking this will open a dialog where you can paste the URL you want your text to link to. Go ahead and paste your chosen URL into the designated field. This can be any link where you want your readers to be directed, whether it's a specific page on your website, a product listing, or anywhere else. After pasting your URL, remember to hit Save. This step is critical, as skipping it means your hyperlink won't be preserved. Trust me, we've all been there, putting in the effort only to realize we didn't save our changes. Now comes the crucial part of previewing your work. Mailchimp offers a preview option for just this reason. Clicking on Preview lets you see how your email appears in both desktop and mobile formats. This ensures everything looks just right and that your hyperlink works as intended. While in preview mode, don't hesitate to click on the hyperlink you've created. This is the best way to ensure it leads exactly where you expect. It's a fast yet effective way to check, saving you the embarrassment of sending out an email with a broken or incorrect link. And with that, you've successfully added a hyperlink to your Mailchimp campaign. Hyperlinks are a simple yet powerful addition that can significantly enhance your email's effectiveness by directing readers to exactly where you need them to go. Whether you're guiding them to your website, a survey, or a special offer, hyperlinks can have a big impact on your campaign's success. Armed with today's walkthrough, you'll enrich your Mailchimp emails with valuable links in no time. Thanks for joining me today. I hope this tutorial has shed some light on the process and encouraged you to make the most of your Mailchimp campaigns. Happy emailing!